Hi, Jacob. Okay, I'm going to make you this video so you understand exactly what is expected of you for my classes. And hopefully this will help you feel a little bit better about what is expected and what you need to do. So I'm just going to switch my screen here. What you're going to do is log on to, a website that something similar than what we've done in the past. So it's kind of like news to you, but it's called Unique Learning System. So I'm going to send you a link and you'll come up with this page. So you'll see all your friends' names on here as well. And here is the guy that I picked up for you. So you're going to click on your name and then you're going to type in your password. And your password is your Skyward password. If you're not sure what that is, I can get that for you. Actually, you know what? Let me look that up really quick and then you'll know it. I found it for you here, Jacob. So this is going to be your password for that you will use to log in. Okay, so it's IGG3S6JS. All right, I wrote it down for myself too, so I can click on it here and I am going to pretend to be you and log in. IGG3S6JS. Okay, I'll sign in. So this is the screen that you will then see. For most of my activities, and if you watch the other videos, it's going to ask you to use the snowflake. Okay, so this is where you will find the actual assignments. So some of my videos go through you know what the lesson is and what we're doing here at school, exactly as if I am teaching the class. And then after that, you'll go into Unique, which is the system right here, and you'll click on this snowflake and your assignments will show up right here. So if you want to check in your Google Classroom and double check what the numbers are for the assignments, you can, but just know that every day if you just log into Unique, you'll be able to see what is expected for language arts and reading, your language arts and math. So here's what we did today. First, we did the Chapter 1, Activity 1. So we read over this together, and you will be able to do this too. Go through, and we only read Chapter 1. Okay, so Chapter 1, Rules on the Bus. And you'll go through and you can read this. Paige is excited for her first day at her new school. You can keep on clicking this button over here and read it and read it and read it and read it. It's only a few pages, but it seems like a long time when I'm clicking these buttons. And then when you are finished, it gives you this so that you know that you are finished. These are some of the vocabulary words and high frequency words within the book, excuse me. So when you're finished with this, click on this globe and then click on home. If you click on, I don't know if it is on this one, maybe not. There are some of them that have the word, sorry, I'm trying to see what you see. Some of them that have the word done on it, and don't do that because you'll log out of the whole thing and then it won't tell me that you've done it. So if you go in here, click on News to You and click on Home, I can look on my teacher side of things and see that you did your assignment. So you don't need to log anything into Google Classroom. I will be able to use just this website and be able to see everything that you've done. And so far, it'll say that you went in and read a story because I looked at it for you. Okay, so once you're finished with that, you're going to go in here, and this is your other language arts component for today. You'll go in here. Paige is excited for the first day of, and then it gives you some options here. If you can't if you can't remember, you can click on this, and it'll bring you back to the story. Okay, so if you can't remember, it has this option. Sorry, it's my face is in the way on mine, so I wonder if it is on yours. It can bring you back so that you can see exactly what the story is, what the chapter is, and then you can kind of reference that for your assignment. And then again, when you're done, click on this globe, go to home, and it'll bring you back. If you started an assignment and you haven't finished it, it will say it'll give you a choice whether you're all done or you're going to keep working. If it says that you're all done, you'll need to start over the next time. So try to make sure that you're finishing that. Here's the assignment for today, Jacob. It's a geometry activity. And so what I want you to do is first watch the videos in my Google Classroom, and it'll kind of review what we did last week. And then you'll be able to go in here and check out the new things for this week. Again, if you don't want to do a lot of the reading, it's totally fine. I know you're a great reader, but sometimes you might just not feel like it. You can click on these words.
One of the line segments that makes a flat shape.
And it can read to you, so you don't need to read them all. So these first couple pages are going to help you later on in the assignment. And then again, go to home, and then it'll save it for me so I can see it on my side, which is awesome. So if you need help, please let me know, but this will hopefully kind of tell you what you need to do and how to access this. But every single day on this website, these things are listed as your homework, okay? And you'll be able to kind of look to see which ones are math and which ones are reading. And just look on my Google Classroom to see if there's any other videos. The videos are going to help you kind of learn the concept, and then this homework piece will help so that I know you're learning it. I will talk to you soon. Hopefully you have a great day. Talk to you later. Bye, Jacob.